Hello, this is Dan with Land Pride. Today I'm going to go over the Kubota by Land Pride AP CTR 1036 compact trencher. We're going to review how to replace the chain, adjust the auger as well as the crummer, and the lubrication points on this unit. The Kubota by Land Pride compact trencher comes with 4 different chain options. You can get this in 4, 6, 8, or 10-inch options. Depending on which chain you get, you also need to get the matching crummer, which also comes in 4, 6, 8, and 10-inch options. As well as doing that, you will need to adjust the auger. There's 4 different holes in this shaft that you can adjust the auger based on which size chain you have, 4, 6, 8, or 10-inch. When you're replacing the chain, there's 2 ways that you can remove the chain from your compact trencher. One, you will need to start by loosening the jam nut here, as well as the tensioning bolt here, and that will loosen the chain. Once the chain has slack to it, you can then either walk it off your main drive sprocket and then off the back sprocket, or on the back side here, there's a master link that can be removed, and you can walk the chain off the front sprocket and then back the SCL up and walk the rest of the chain off the rear sprocket. Once the chain is back on both sprockets, you will want to tension it back up and remove this slack. You'll need an 1 1/8 wrench to do this job and a tape measure. You'll need an 1.5 inch slack from the chain to the slide rail. So I'm now going to demonstrate how to adjust the tension and tighten up the chain. You'll see as I tighten up, the chain is adjusting up. And we want to move that until we have an 1.5 inch gap. That's about 2 inches. We'll go a little more. There's an 1.5 inches. Once your gap is set, you want to be sure to tighten the jam nut. And then be sure to tighten these 2 bolts. Once you do that, you're ready to go trenching. The only lubrication that needs to be done on your compact trencher is every 50 hours. The grease zerk on your chain adjuster tension bolt will need to be lubed. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we've taught you something today. If you have any questions, be sure to check with your Kubota Land Pride dealer, or you can look at landpride.com, or lastly, you can check your Land Pride operator's manual. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.